everybody, my name is Allison Fortune with Brand Quest, and today we are going to be talking about the top 4 mistakes you might be making with your Facebook ads and how to correct them right now. Let's dive in. Okay, so as you know, we are talking about the top Facebook ads mistakes you might be making right now and how you can fix them. Now, I've already gone into detail in some other videos about how to set up your ads and some basic testing kinds of things that you can do. And we've also given you a guide on how to write your ad copy, and those links are in the description below. But today we are just talking mistakes here and how to fix them. The first mistake you might be making as a new Facebook advertiser is not using your pixel. Your pixel is a set of code that goes on your website on all of your pages, and it tracks the people that come to your website and it tracks what they do there. You want all of that data to be going into your Facebook ads account so that you can start retargeting customers or creating lookalike audiences. If you don't have your pixel correctly set up and installed on every single page, you are not going to be getting the best data, and you're going to have weird audiences created based on your conversion metrics as well as lookalike audiences. So you need to make sure that your pixel is set up correctly and installed on every single page on your website, not just the pages that you are sending traffic to. I mean it when I say every single page on your website. Number 2 is not setting up your conversions correctly when you're creating conversion ads. This is going to affect a lot of different things. It's going to affect your conversion audience, right? If you created a lookalike audience specifically around a particular conversion, it's not going to track that correctly. It's going to give you something wildly different. You are also not going to be able to track your return on ad spend, and your ads are going to optimize to the incorrect audience. So Facebook uses that information about conversions in order to know who to show your ads to. And if your conversions are not set up correctly, they're not going to be able to show your ads to the right people who are the most likely to convert for you. So it's really important to set up your conversions correctly. Now, with a software such as Kajabi, some of this is just built in, right? There's a native integration, but on things like WordPress, you might have to set these up yourself. And there are really easy tutorials on how to do this. If you want to learn, leave me a comment down below and I can make a video all about that. But the number 2 mistake is not setting up your conversions correctly. The third mistake that you are making is relying on lookalike audiences. That's right. Your lookalike audiences should not be the only cold audiences that you are advertising to. Your lookalike audiences, they might be great, but you should really be layering those with interest-based audiences so that you can really narrow down that niche and target exactly who you want to target, not just who Facebook thinks you should target. It's a little confusing sometimes on how to create these audiences. Basically, you just have to create a separate saved audience and layer an interest with them. Your goal is to create an audience between 2 million people and 7 million people. You don't want more than that because it's a little too wide. You don't want less than that because you're not going to have enough people in that audience to really test and optimize with. The final mistake, and the biggest mistake I see brands making when starting out with Facebook advertising, is that they are not testing enough ads. This is not just ads, but also ad sets. So for every single campaign that you launch, you should be testing 3 different ad sets going to slightly different audiences. And in each of those ad sets, you should have at least 8 different creatives or 8 different ads in each of those ad sets. If you are not testing that much, you are not testing enough, my friend. You're going to be losing money on your ads and you won't even know it. Those are the top 4 mistakes that people are making with their ads right now and how you can avoid them. So, what mistake are you making with your ads, or are you making one, and what are you going to do to fix it? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what you want to see out of our channel. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Allison Fortune with Brand Quest. We'll see you next time.